Welcome to JB Technicians. Hello friends, you are watching JB Technician. Today we will talk about power plug sockets or power plugs. The item you're seeing can be called a power plug or a power socket, and it's also referred to as a 15 ampere power plug. Friends, this socket that you're looking at is always installed in heavy-duty areas, meaning it handles heavy current usage, like for our AC, air conditioning, water pumps, compressors, or any other heavy equipment. You can use this power plug for such items. So let me explain a bit about this. You might notice 3 points at the back of this power plug where we attach the wires. You will see a point labeled with N. N stands for neutral, and the neutral wire will be connected there. The second point you see in the middle is labeled with E. E stands for earth, and in some cases G is used, which stands for ground. The earth or ground wire, which is usually green or a green-yellow combination, will go into this point. The third point, labeled L, stands for line or live wire, where the current carrying wire is connected. Before connecting, I would like to advise beginners or those learning in technical institutions to watch our videos carefully. In every video, we show practical demonstrations. Now let me show you how to make the connections. As you can see, I'm inserting the wires. This wire is the one you'll get when installing on any board or while doing wiring. The red wire always goes to the L point, which is the line. So I'm connecting the line wire here. Next, there's the neutral wire, which is usually black. Working with proper color combinations makes things easier for others who may need to work on the setup later. Using colors helps avoid confusion and makes the work easier for everyone. Finally, we have the earth or ground wire. Let me also mention that whenever you're connecting motors, ACs, or anything heavy duty, make sure to always connect the earth wire. This is important because motors are often used around water and they can short circuit, causing accidents. To avoid such incidents, always use an earth wire. Even if you don't have a proper earth connection, attach the wire to an iron pipe that goes into the ground. If that's not possible, you can bury a 4 or 5 feet iron rod into the ground and connect the ground wire to it for safety. This will ensure that if there's an electrical fault, your breaker or fuse will trip, providing safety and preventing electric shocks. Now I have completed the 3 connections: neutral, earth, and line. You should do the same. After this, I'll turn it on and show you. You will see the power plug's light turning on. As you can see, the red light has turned on, indicating that current is now flowing and the line is active. This is the switch that turns the power on and off. As you can see, the light is turning on and off, meaning the socket is functioning. When you connect your motor's 3-pin switch and turn it on, it will start working. So friends, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.